안녕, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make tofu bibimbap, dubu bibimbap. I'm sure there are some of you, including me, who think you've gained weight as you're stuck at home because of the coronavirus. So today I'm going to show you very light and simple bibimbap recipe. In normal bibimbap, there are various vegetables and beef on the cooked rice. Actually, there isn't any correct answer which ingredients you put on bibimbap. Bibim means mix, so you can create and mix your own bibimbap as you want. So I'm gonna make bibimbap with fewer ingredients and more nutrients using tofu. It doesn't take a long time. You can make this simple bibimbap just in a few minutes. Okay, then let's set the table. First, let's remove the water from tofu. Pat dry the tofu with a paper towel, remove excess water. And cut the tofu into cubes. Place the tofu on a paper towel and sprinkle with a pinch of salt and ground black pepper. Let it sit for 10 minutes. During the time, I'm gonna blanch the bean sprout. In a pot, pour enough water and add a pinch of salt. And bring to boil. When it boils, put bean sprout and blanch for 4 minutes with the lid open. After 4 minutes, wash it in cold water and drain well. Next, in a bowl, put bean sprout and add soup soy sauce, a pinch of salt, and sesame oil. Toss it gently. And prepare the baby leaves. You can use the salad mix as well. I prefer the softer texture when I eat with tofu, so I prepare the baby leaves. Wash the baby leaves and drain well. Then I'm gonna pan fry the tofu cubes. Heat the oil in a pan and put tofu on pan gently. Keep medium heat and let all sides make golden brown. When it's done, move them to plate. It's done! In a bowl, put rice, baby leaves, bean sprout, and tofu. And serve with the red pepper paste and sesame oil. Ta-da! It's a very simple recipe, isn't it? When we eat bibimbap, there are two must-have items. Red pepper paste, gochujang, and sesame oil, 참기름. The ratio is different with people, so I recommend you to serve them separately from bibimbap. Okay, then let's mix it. Sesame oil, and gochujang, red pepper paste. Okay. The nutty smell from the sesame oil makes me hungry. Mix, mix, mix. Yes. Ooh. Okay, mixing is done. Let me taste. It's so tasty. I don't agree that the healthy food is not tasty. It's so good. And the tofu is well fried and it gives very savory taste. And the balance with the other vegetables is great. Crunch bean sprout texture is tempting. Did you hear that? And if you don't like the spicy things, then you can replace it with soy sauce seasoning instead of red pepper paste. Soy sauce really goes well with tofu as well. Today I made Dubu Bibimbap. You can make it easily at home. If you like this recipe, then thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can find more recipes for Korean cuisine. See you next time. Bye. 안녕.